video to show you how to use the television. It's a Firestick which is plugged in here. So what you do is you put the power on on the Samsung remote, which is this remote. Then you take the Firestick remote and you put that on. First of all, you want to make sure that you go to the VPN and make sure it's connected to Madrid. Then you hit the return button, which is here, and it'll take you to the home screen. You want to scroll along, you see where I'm going along, and with the three boxes, click on that. That'll take you to all of our apps which we've downloaded, which are free. So if you go in any of these apps, there's films, there's live TV, there's sports, there's different channels, there's YouTube, there's Netflix, Amazon Music. So you just scroll down and go on to whatever it is that you want to watch. If you go on to, here's an instance, you go into BTV, take you up, and that's got films, live TV. So you just go up and you can filter down and see what year it is you want to watch the film. You can even go in and see what actors are in it. Scroll down there and it gives you, so it's really quite easy to use. They're very much the same, each different app. So that's how easy it is to use the Firestick. Any problems, you can just give us a WhatsApp and we'll come down and sort it out. But I'm sure you will have no problem whatsoever. So you can go into your Netflix. When you go into your Netflix, once it loads, you can put in your own details. At the moment, it's currently set up under ours, which is Cuevas Helena. So that's our, you'll see it there. So that's our Netflix. All you would do is go along and add in your own details, and that'll bring up your own account on Netflix. And the same with YouTube. Okay, I hope that helps you.